Intonation in lists and series. Enhancing your English communication. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into an important aspect of English pronunciation: intonation in lists and series. Understanding and using the right intonation patterns can greatly enhance your communication skills and make you sound more natural and confident in English. So, let's get started. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of pitch in spoken language. In lists and series, intonation plays a crucial role in conveying meaning and highlighting important elements. It helps listeners understand the relationships between items and adds clarity and emphasis to your speech. When it comes to intonation in lists and series, there are two common patterns: the falling intonation and the rising intonation. The falling intonation pattern is used when you want to indicate the completion of a list or series. It is commonly used for declarative statements or when you are providing information without expecting any response. Here's an example. I need to buy apples, bananas, and oranges. Notice how the pitch falls on each item, and there is a final fall on the last item to indicate the end of the list. Let's practice together. 1. She is studying math, science, and history. 2. We visited Paris, Rome, and Barcelona on our trip. Remember, the falling intonation is great for conveying a sense of finality and completeness. On the other hand, rising intonation is used when you want to invite a response or indicate that there is more to come. It is commonly used for questions, suggestions, or when you want to engage your listener in the conversation. For example, would you like coffee, tea, or water? In this case, the pitch rises on each item, indicating that a choice is expected from the listener. Let's practice using rising intonation. 1. Do you prefer to watch movies, TV shows, or documentaries? 2. What do you like to do on weekends? Read, exercise, or relax? Remember, rising intonation is useful when you want to engage your listener or when you are seeking a response or input. Apart from indicating completion or inviting a response, intonation can also be used to emphasize certain elements in your lists or series. For example, I like apples, bananas, and oranges. By placing a greater emphasis on the word, and, you are highlighting that particular item in the list. Let's try emphasizing different elements in the following sentences. 1. She is studying math, science, and history. 2. We visited Paris, Rome, and Barcelona on our trip. Remember, using intonation for emphasis can add clarity and draw attention to specific items in your lists or series. Congratulations! You have now learned about the importance of intonation in lists and series in English. Remember to practice using both falling and rising intonation patterns, depending on the context and your communication goals. By mastering these intonation patterns, you will sound more natural and confident in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in improving your English communication skills. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more exciting lessons in our English language learning.